Hi, my name is Haley Desmute. I'm in the Physical Science Online Labs. I am shaking my whipping cream. I've been shaking it on and off for like 20 minutes. So, I don't know. I'm not sure that I'm doing it right. Oh, but I think maybe I just got butter. Because I read a little bit about it. And it said that it gets really, really thick and it feels like you can't shake it for a while. So then you just kind of take a break, let it sit there for a little bit. You go back to shaking it, you should feel it break loose. I think I just felt it break loose. I'm scared to take the lid off because every time I take the lid off, it gets kind of hard to do it. But I think that I have butter. Yes, I have butter. And this is what it looks like. Oh, it smells like butter, which is not what I expected. Okay, so it's 1:57, so it's 20 minutes of shaking. The initial solidification happened around like 1:40, which was at like 10 minutes. 1:40, and then 1:57. Okay. So when I first started, it was like really liquidy, but like still kind of thick for what I thought was gonna pour out of that bottle. I bought it and it came in the same kind of bottle as like a half and half. So I didn't expect it to be as thick as it was, but kind of like a milky white liquid. And then I shook it up for a while, and then it got really thick, like whipped cream, turned almost into whipped cream. And it tasted not as sweet as I expected. Really thick whipped cream, like.
Get 3 sweet crispy tenders, a biscuit, mashed potatoes, and gravy for only $4.99 at KFC.
And tasted
if you've never been to the Smoky Mountains,
slightly sweet.
But you won't be hungry, so that's pretty cool. Get my Smoky
And
Mountain
then,
barbecue tender biscuit for just $4.99 at KFC. It's fingerly and good. And participating KFCs for a limited time. Prices and vary. Taxes subsidies.
Okay, so that tastes like butter, like a sweet butter. It tastes pretty good.
It's $29.95 a month for 50 meg internet.
Obvious separation.
There's no contract to sign, no installation fees, and it comes with a worry-free
butter
30-day money-back guarantee.
and buttermilk.
$29.95 a month for TDS high-speed internet. That's our best price ever. Click our banner ad for details.
Sweet butter is what that buttermilk tastes
Only
like.
subject to availability. Internet speed is up to. Prices locked for 12 months. Terms and conditions apply.
Okay, so now I have to rinse this with water. I'm just gonna stand right back there at the sink. Not quite clear. I bet it's clear on the next time. That was pretty good. Cool. So, it took me 3 times. I need paper towel. So it took me 3 times to get my water to be clear. Then how long did it take you to go from heavy cream to butter? 27 minutes. 3 times 27 minutes. Cool. Let's see. I'm gonna put some salt in it, like you said, because I'm a salt fanatic. So, my salt. Okay. Well, we still got some water in it. That's pretty neat. I was getting really discouraged. I'm pretty impatient, and that whole shaking for 20 minutes, I was getting really tired of it. But this is pretty neat. I taste really good with the salt. I'm glad I did that. Okay, so now bread. All right, I just bought a half loaf because I don't eat enough bread. It always molds every time. That's a change. Is it a physical change? Yeah, because you can scrape it off, but I'm sure it's not. I mean, that's not healthy. It's just like a growth, so maybe it's I don't know. So, describe your bread. How does it feel? Soft. Smells like bread. It looks like white bread. And tastes pretty good. I love bread. Love bread. So, feels soft. Looks spongy, I guess is the word. Spongy. Tastes like bread. I don't tastes bready. After you tear your bread in half, how did it change from the whole slice? It's smaller. The appearance didn't really change other than that it's smaller. Taste and texture did not change. So that's a physical change. I didn't do anything to it. I'm not sure I could put it back together though. So, but it's not a chemical change because it didn't change the bread into something else. So, tearing made smaller pieces. Oh, my pen's about to go out. Smaller pieces. Appearance. Taste. And texture did not change. This is a physical change. Because it didn't. What's the word I'm looking for? It didn't change it from bread, so it didn't like change the makeup of the atoms. Like it didn't change the atoms into another substance. I hope you can hear me over my music. Yikes. Well, are we able? Okay. Now I have to make a cheese sandwich. Yeah, just put the cheese between 2 pieces of bread. Cool. Okay. I can do that. After I pick up my pins. Bring my cheese over. Gonna make it alright, but not right now. I know you're wondering why. Wow, I'm weak. Got it. I just got sliced cheese. Okay, so I put it in between the bread. Describe your cheese sandwiches. Soft. And it looks like it's like 2 pieces of bread with cheese between it. It tastes like cold cheese. I don't know. Soft. Looks like bread and cheese. Tastes uncooked. Yeah, it tastes like cheese. It's like bread and cheese, and then it needs some help. Tastes like cheese from the fridge. Okay, so now make my grilled cheese. So what we're gonna do is turn on the eye of my stove. And we're gonna take a piece of bread. And put some butter on it. This is really like soft butter. Like it spreads so easy. I hope it tastes really good. I should make my own butter all the time. This is probably about to be the best grilled cheese I've ever had in my life. This is so much better. I didn't mean to put this much. It's probably going to take a little bit to cook, which is not typically what you want. I'm just going to sit it here while I do this. And while my stove gets hot. Got some breadcrumbs on my lab report. Here in a minute. Okay, so now you put the cheese not on the butter. I'm gonna get butter all over my hand. That's fine. I'm just gonna make it on the stove. It's really hot. I'm gonna turn that down.
Okay, children.
I have made a huge mess.
Next subject, financial well-being. How to manage your money. Turn to page 5 of your textbook.
When it comes to money,
Please.
you can never
Cooking.
start learning too early. That's why starting today, State Farm wants to give you the tools and support you need to take control of your finances.
Tonight, read the
It
chapters
smells
on credit
good.
cards and balance transfers. Pop quiz tomorrow.
Find out more at letstarttoday.com. State Farm, here to help life go right.
At Moo, we think you deserve business
Okay,
cards that are
so-
every bit as remarkable as you. But don't stop there. Get the Oh So Premium postcards, stickers, and more to match. Click on the banner to create the perfect paper version of you in every size, shape, and paper.
There's no look. Okay. This is gonna be really gorgeous. Golden on the other side. It's perfect. Oh man.
It's been a while since I could hold my head up high. It's been a while since I first saw you.
Yeah. Dude, this looks so good.
It's been a while since I could stand on my own 2 feet again. It's been a while since I could call you.
That makes it so good. Just like I always do. That looks perfect. Not yet. Too hot. Okay. So this is really hot. But after you made your grilled cheese, how did it change from the uncooked cheese sandwich? Did the appearance, taste, and texture change? Yes, 100%. So, it looks brown and rough now. It's pretty rough now. It's not soft, so not soft, but rough, and it's gonna taste so much better. It's really hot. Oh, but it's so good. Yeah. Oh, I should put some ham in there. Tastes. Still tastes a little bit like bread, but it tastes more like salty and cooked. I can like taste that butter. More salty and cooked. I can taste the butter. Okay. Is this a chemical or physical change? This is a chemical change. Because now it is basically like buttered toast. So like you can't get that butter out of that bread. We're not gonna be able to do it. It's cooked in there. So it changed the atoms or molecules or whatever. Chemical change. Because changed the bread to buttered toast. And now the butter cannot be removed from the bread. And the cheese is now melted. I bet you probably couldn't remove that from the bread either. Unless you literally, like, I guess you could. You'd be missing a lot of bread after, but you definitely can't get the butter out. Is making the butter a chemical or physical change? I feel I'm honestly a little confused about it. So I want to say that it's a physical change because I didn't do anything to it but shake it. And it came apart. You should be able to put it back together, but I don't know if you can put it back together. I'm going to go with physical change because you can probably just mix it back up in a mixer or something and make it, or heat it up or whatever, melt it down and make some heavy whipping cream out of it. So, physical, because you can melt it and mix it back together to make heavy cream. What is your favorite food/recipe? How is it prepared from ingredients to final product? Describe the kind of changes occur as you make your favorite dish. Explain each step and whether it is a physical change or a chemical change. Okay, well, my favorite food is cheesecake. So, it's mainly cream cheese and like vanilla and sugar and milk and eggs. Once that stuff's mixed up together in a bowl, I'm not really sure how you would get it out. Because you like broke the egg and you like mixed it together. And it's now emulsified. But it's not like a chemical change. I really don't know. I'm trying though. So, cheesecake, cream cheese, sugar, vanilla, what else is it? Milk and eggs. Mixed, and then you freeze it on top of a pie crust. That's how I make it. Some people cook it. So once you cook it, it's definitely a chemical change. So we'll just say that. Mixed, physical change. Put mixture in pie crust and bake. Chemical change. And then refrigerate and serve. Physical. Please write at least one paragraph. So my summary: physical changes you can undo, chemical changes you cannot. I learned how to make my own butter, which is pretty cool. Welcome to Arkansas. I can churn my own butter. And this grilled cheese sandwich tastes really amazing. Best grilled cheese ever. Yeah. Cool. Thank you.